and from Sweden here. You are welcome to my channel. Here is my latest kit. I call it fabric blue because I have fabric in the background. Some more flowers with writing. Here are with music paper, flowers. Here are more flowers and some text book. A background. I like it a lot. And here we have a text page you can write on. Tags. Belly band if you like. Buttons. More tags. Big ones. Writing cards. And an envelope. And I have a checkered page as well. So, yep, that was that. As you know, my artist name, Crazy Ladies Paper. So, thank you for watching. Bye.